Okay guys, it's inside. Let's go. Okay guys, got the wood. So Akio gave me these lights here for the Corolla. Like this. Maybe there or whatever.
I have some stuff to deposit.
Oh, não tá pra gravar?
Shoot! Guys, look at this. Fucking carts to put parts in and stuff. We're going to take this to our shop. What a find! We are here changing the rubbers on this. As you can see, this is pretty loose.
Yeah, mano. Tá aqui, aí. Pronto. E agora caí? Eu estava aqui, ó. Tal. It will drop.
Look. Blood got the Volvo rubbers.
Tá bom? Mais. Agora larga. Põe não.
Ah, we got some new jacks. Ai. Curva!
Seria 1080, mas é um stealth, em vez de ser um... Mano, eu gastei uma polícia estacionada para esta merda. Já, estava a ver para nisso. E que o carro exagerado. Estou a fazer assim, ó. Espera aí.
Check it out, guys. We have some protection, and finally we are going to fix that hole in the garage. Okay guys, let's start. God damn. Smart. None of it is easy. It's done, guys. And check it out. New board. Let's put it on. You can see. Well, I'll attempt to make a table. Right now, just attempting, see if we can get it done. Hey guys. Okay guys, the table is in.
is done!
Let's go! See.
And
It's level, surprisingly.
It's level, it's
Looks kinda goofy, but whatever. Okay guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to clean up all of this. Guys, check it out. We have the light here. I put this sign up. I'm going to be cleaning the garage. It's very filthy. A ton of trash and garbage that I'm going to dispose. As you can see, I have some reinforcements to do here on our table. Yeah, let's start. Progress. certified couch. This is the current state it's in right now. We have this storage space right here. We have the trash here, the table. I'm going to reinforce it with this wood here on the sides, and I'm going to lower this down there so it's more stable. And then I'm going to put all of the tools and boxes right there. This is the stuff for my concerto. This is maybe for the Corolla. I'll see what I'll do with it. This is some trash that remains. And yeah, that's the couch. Certified couch. Let's go. The table is finished. It's a lot sturdier now. You can see. Now I'm going to put the tools right there with these screws. Clean up the table a bit, and I think that's it for today. Okay guys, this is the final result. Look at the setup. So, you can see in the board we have our hammer, then we have some pliers. There's one missing. He's using. So we have wrenches, safety glasses, goggles, whatever. Then we have our screwdrivers. There we are going to put all of our tools and miscellaneous items. And then here we have some cleaning products, some diluent and hydraulic fluid. And yeah, this is also like a workbench on the side thing. Yeah, that's in the trash. Okay guys, so I don't know who decided to drop the engine, but we're doing that right now.
Been a long time since it felt right. Been counting down the days. Been a long time since it felt right. This all isn't all to me. Been a long time since it felt right. Been counting down the days. Been a long time since it felt right. This all isn't all to me. But I never felt long enough.
We'll see.
Mas se calhar. Não, isto é só merda. Então, mano, hoje ele gravou uma parte que era restaurar a garagem.
Então
que é
vocês
fazer...
deviam vir a Fátima.
Oh, mano, eu.
Hã? Não.
O que? Já?
Tá. Queres tirar foto?
Eu quero.
Tenho o fitment atrás.
Cá puta, mano.
Yeah, mano, ao menos filma o fitment atrás.
Check the fitment. Cá puta.
Só tem... em
Não
bits.
passa nada, mano.
Tens em bits, não é?
Sim. Não passa nada. Demorou mesmo.
Preciso.
Epá, ele sobe 1 metro, acho
Mais,
eu.
mais. Tá bom.
Acho eu.
Mostra aí.
Meu, olha aí hoje.
Deixa eu ver.
Creio.
Pois, ou chama a minha mãe ou alguém me deu.
Também.
Também?
Sim.
Ia bem. Era Dragster.
Uma
Queres que faça um bocado?
Basically, he's racing the car because he fucked the rim, right?
Yep. He fucked the rim because
If you don't know this guy, he crashed the car. 3 days later, the car is back to normal. 3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
Neto Cinematográficos.
Vai ser o nosso cameraman. Let's eat some.
Não,
Já compraste esta pistola?
AliExpress.
Juro.
Sim.
He's got a gun!
Olha, acho que pegaste tudo nele.
Olha, 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 olha.
Agora a pessoa para chamar os bois.
Eu estou a nosso
Geometria sinistra. Queimar a mão, filha da puta. Mano, não deixa. Não deixa. Não deixa, caralho.
Podes, podes!
Olha. Que merda. Olha, planos para já à noite. Temos que ir ao aeroporto.
Guys, it's 1:30 a.m. Bro, what the fuck is this?
Well, we found a very.
These are those cards that I showed you when he was changing his exhaust rubbers.
This is from a school, probably to transport stuff. Now we're going.
Oh, here it is, guys. Let's go.